Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video is about the latest women dungarees, which are really pretty, and the latest outfits of 2021. Beautiful designs. In order to watch them all, you have to just stay on. Before moving further, to those who haven't subscribed my channel, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and families as much as possible. And I would also like to introduce to you guys my Instagram ID, Twitter. I'm also on Pinterest. Links to all of them are in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me there as well. And these are all the latest and beautiful stylish dungarees to be fit on all different outfits. It doesn't matter whether it's a beautiful jeans or skirt. On every different outfit, this dungarees would go perfect. These are the latest styles of 2021 to those who are looking up for beautiful dungaree designs for girls. Latest women dungaree ideas, perfect for all outfits. And look at this pretty one. Every single one of them is beautiful. Which one did you love the most? Don't forget to comment down below. And just to make the look of your simple outfit into a beautiful and elegant one, you can just wear these kind of dungarees. And if you guys want, I can even share the online link to purchase it from. Look at this beautiful green one. It's really pretty. Look at this beautiful jeans one, and it's beautiful too. Share this video with your friends and families as much as possible. These are the latest trending ideas of dungarees for women and girls. These are all super stunning, gorgeous ideas of 2021. And guys, which one did you love the most? Comment down below. Was it the black one, green, or either this? Look at this Selena Gomez beautiful dungaree, and this Korean style beautiful dungarees for girls. And look at this beautiful hot outfit paired with beautiful dungaree. And if you guys enjoyed watching this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for next, and I'll be up with next. Until then, bye, take care, and thanks for watching.